Hi guys, welcome back to the Human Cuber channel, and this is Genry Hong Cube Everything. And today we're going to make a video about the difference between 18 ringgit cube and Gen 356 ASM 135 ringgit cube right over here. And today we're going to see what is the biggest difference about these two cube within such a big amount of money. So let's get started. First of all, this is the 魔方教师 cube right over here, and this is the Gen 356 ASM, as just I said just now. The competition cube, as I can say, like speed cube for all the world records competition that all the world records cuber will mostly use. So today we're gonna find out what is the difference between these two cubes, because it's like 10 times difference in the price. So we're going to check it out. What is the difference? So first of all, we're going to talk about the 魔方教师 cube right over my left hand side. Is the 18 ringgit cube right here. So we're going to see what is the big difference between the quality sides. So let's start with this one first. The quality is still good. It touch like just touch like a normal cube. This is the same, and let's have a round for a while. When it turns, the sound is like much more, like how to say, much more shriek. The sound is much more quick, and it's more heavier than this one, the Gen 356 SM. And this is just a normal cube, so it doesn't have the Manex and the GES that Gen 356 SM have. So when you turn, will make some moves very fast. It can't like get your cube around it, so you may slip or your cube may fall. So now we're going to try on the Gen 356 ASM, and let's do the same thing. Like the big difference is this, the sound they makes in 356 ASM is not so loud, and the feeling is more light compared to this one. And when you have the like this move, the last two move for 3x3, you feel that maybe, I don't know can say like this way or not, because when you have some move, you feel that you're more safe compared to this one, because it's more like it's like a lock that lock this cube. It won't let you slip away, so you feel that more safe and more, you feel better than this cube. In my opinion, I will propose you to buy the normal cube of 魔方教师 instead of buying Gen 356 ASM, because the price is the biggest difference between these two cubes. And this is 135 ringgit and this is 18 ringgit. It's almost a 10 more difference. So if you add more like 9 ringgit to buy Manex and you inject it to this cube, and it will makes totally perfect than Gen 356 ASM, because this cube is much more heavier than Gen 356 ASM. So if you inject the Manex, you will feel that it's totally smooth and lock. So I propose you to buy this one instead of buying Gen 356 SM, because it's too much waste of money. So please, if you want to like save money or you want to like attend competition, please buy the 魔方教师 cube only. Don't go buy this kind like Game 356 SM because it's too much waste of money. You can buy this as like if you are a collector of Rubik's Cube, then you can rather choose the Game 356 SM. So this is the difference between Game 356 SM and the normal cube of 魔方教师. If you want to know more about Rubik's Cube, please stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And this is Genry Home Cube Everything. Ciao.